In this next video we'll be looking at the BMW 435d that's come in for detailing. This is like an orange colour, basically lots of issues in the paintwork and that type of thing, and swirl marks, scratches to remove. This is also a convertible car, so I'd like you to watch the video now and see how I turn this one round. It's only a short video, but it gives you an idea what your car could look like after having a major paint correction detail and then ceramic coating later. See from the just little short video of the bonnet, the boot lid and certain panels, the absolutely horrendous state the paintwork's in on this car. So you'll see me going round now doing the first stage of machine polishing, and I'll catch up with you later. With the correct lighting in the studio, we can see if there's any defects left in the paintwork after doing some machine polishing. So going round with the spotlights on, and as we move round we can check and make sure everything's absolutely perfect. Now obviously great stuff this, having the studio here, because just round this area we've got some deeper scratches that need addressing before the final polish on this bonnet. As I say, at Top Car Detailing it's very important that we've got the correct lighting and everything in the studio here, so that we can examine all areas of the vehicle's paintwork before any coating's applied. And as you can see, the car looks like a complete mirror. No swirl marks, scratches, holograms whatsoever in there, all gone. And this is why it's important as well to have your car detailed in a proper studio. So we've got the right facilities here for your vehicle. So if you'd like any further advice whatsoever, give me a call. We can make an appointment for you to come and see me free of charge, and we can discuss your car detailing requirements. All the engine bay up as well on the fantastic BMW. Machine polished this plate here that's been painted black, treated all the rubber and the plastic too. Also polished the headlights up, they had some scratches in them, so we got rid of those. And we also polished the centre grills up here, made sure there's no marks in them, and then ceramic coated them too. Also treated all the glass as well with a hydrophobic coating, which is quite special here at Top Car Detailing. No streaking whatsoever once it starts raining, and the water just completely beads off. And it's something as well that you can actually top up yourself, and if you have your car detailed by us, we will give you all the instructions moving forward for that too. Then with the windscreen here, it's got a special hydrophobic coating on. It's going to bead like anything, and the water will just sheet off there, no problem whatsoever. Also treated all the interior of the car with a matte finish as well, so there's no glaring up once the sun hits like the dashboard and different areas in the car. Very important too, and it gives it a nice crisp clean look in the vehicle. And you can see now, looking like a complete mirror. No swirl marks, scratches, and the paintwork all gone, vanished, and now fully ceramic coated and protected for the future. Also ceramic coated the front and rear of the wheels as well, to fully protect those and rest all the tyres on the car. This car needed a 2-stage machine polish overall to remove all the defects like swirl marks, holograms, marring marks in the paintwork. And as you can see now, the depth of reflections there in the paint. Well, thanks once again for watching that video on our YouTube channel. Well, as you would have seen with the 435d there, how I turned that car around for one of our customers, and it left in absolutely mint and perfect condition. As I say, if you're looking for this service, don't hesitate, give us a call. Check out my videos on my YouTube channel. Check out my website at www.topcardetailing.co.uk, where we've got lots of information on there for you for the services that we offer. Anyhow, I'll have to go now, and I'll be back soon with more cars. Catch you later.